Hello mga boss, ngayon nag-check po tayo ng brake pad percentage ng isang Actros truck, Mercedes-Benz, at sasalangan natin ng computer. The actual reading now of our brake pad percentage in our computer, the left side is 18% and the right side is 22%, and the rear left reading is 68% and the right reading is 69%. The percentage value of brake pad is from 0% to 100%. This reading now indicates how many percent is already consumed in our brake pad. So that's all. Thank you for watching mga boss.